In the previous video, we created this neural network with just randomly initialized weights and bias. And in this video, I just want to quickly see how we can evaluate its performance using a loss function. And so the loss function we're going to use is one we haven't used so far. It's binary cross entropy loss. And this is a natural one to use when the thing that you're outputting is just a single probability, okay, as opposed to a whole list of probabilities that add up to 1. So I'm going to create this loss function. And then let's try to evaluate the loss. So like the bigger this number is, the worse our model is performing. So notice also that we haven't used y anywhere so far. This is where we're going to use y for the first time. And we're going to say, how does y, the true values, how do they relate to these estimated values from our neural network model? So we say model x on one hand and y on the other hand. And this is similar to that scikit-learn error about dimensions being wrong. So it says I'm using target size of 4 when it should be 4 by 1. Okay, so let's reshape it. And I'll do that up here from the previous video. So I'll say, take this tensor and let's reshape it. Reshape it. And this is saying the important thing is that it's one column. And then this -1, okay, this also works in NumPy. This -1 is saying use however many rows you need. Okay, so since there are 4 numbers, it's going to use 4 rows. So let's evaluate this again. And let's check y. Let's check what its shape is. Okay, so now it's 4 by 1, like what we want. Okay, let's try this again. Now our loss function is working correctly, and in the next video, we'll use an optimizer to try to find better weights and bias for this particular neural network and this particular set of data that we're trying to emulate. Okay, thank you for watching.